Hello guys, so good evening everyone. First, let me introduce myself to you. I am Ron Kalunsag from Philippine State College of Aeronautics, Bachelor of Science Information Technology with a specialization of Aviation Information Technology from second year, section 1. So, my task here no is to guide you all throughout this video on how to install and download and install a SAMP application. So first, no, we'll just get straight through it. Let's tackle about what is SAMP, guys. So, okay, so what is SAMP? Simply, SAMP spelled as XAMPP, guys. So when you say SAMP is an SAMP is an application, a versatile application. Now, so I will define it um, through its letters. No, so X. When we say X, X cross-platform. So SAMP is a cross-platform application. So we can use it through different platforms like Microsoft, Linux, or the Apple operating system or Apple OS. No. Then second is the A, which is Apache. So Apache, guys, is it is a web server. So ito yung server ng ating mga web applications. So web pages that we make. Okay? So M is MariaDB or MySQL, which is our database. And then P is for PHP, a programming language, no, specifically a scripting language. And last is Perl, which is also a programming language, no, and a single installer, which is the SAMP. Okay, so that is SAMP. So let's get you straight to the point, no, and let's proceed to our first step, which is to download SAMP. Okay, so to download SAMP, we have uh, first we have to uh, search it. No, have to search it or to download an installer of SAMP. Okay, so you search it in your browsers, whether it is uh, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, whatsoever. You can type XAMPP and it will appear, no? And just with one click, boom, that is SAMP, guys. So uh, you just have to click this download, no? Download and boom. So as I mentioned earlier, SAMP is versatile application. So it is an easy to install Apache distribution containing MySQL, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl now in a single installer, which is ayan yung ita-download natin. So pipili lang kayo dito on what applicable ba, kung ano yung applicable sa inyo na installer. So on our side, on my side, it is Windows since I am using a Windows device lang. So meron dito naman Linux, meron ding some for Apple operating system. Yan. So after you download it, ayan, um, earlier kasi I already did download the SAMP installer. Ayan, so click it. Ayan. So before that, guys, no, I always take note that before installing the SAMP, you have to no search this or do this. No, you have to disable your UAC. Ayan, the user account control settings and the antivirus. So just like me, ito ang default kasi niyan, the default one is here in the middle. So pag yung device nyo kasi is mag-install ka ng SAMP and this bar is in the middle, no, uh, some of the features of SAMP will not be executed. So kasi haharangin siya ng device mo, hindi siya papayagan. Kaya need natin siyang ibaba para yung mga features ng SAMP natin is mag-execute or really rest assured na gagana siya yung lahat ng functions and features niya. Okay? So, after that, pag naset nyo na sa baba, pinakababa, you just press OK. And then, next is, if may antivirus applications ka, like NVIDIA, McAfee, like that, no, disable it first kasi haharangin niya yung SAMP. Ganon din tulad ng UAC, some of the features of SAMP may be prohibited or cannot be executed when it is not disabled. So that's why take note that before installing SAMP, we have to disable first. Ayun, i-adjust natin, ibaba natin yung bar kanina sa ating UAC. So, itatype mo lang yung search bar mo. And next, if kung may antivirus ka, i-disable mo muna. So, on my part, wala akong antivirus since medyo downside tayo sa budget, guys. Ayan. So, ayun, next is we just have to open the installer. Ayan. So, may lalabas naman dyan na interface, no? May lalabas na interface yan na, ayan, welcome to SAMP. Ayan, welcome to SAMP, an easy to install Apache distribution containing MySQL. Ayan, yes ka lang, yes, yes, okay, next, 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 so on and so forth, mag-next ka lang. So, I already downloaded mine, installed mine kasi earlier. So, that's why I won't have to click or proceed further, no, just to make this video shorter. Okay, so yan. So let us proceed, no, sa ating let us proceed sa ating mismong SAMP control panel. So okay guys, so this is how SAMP looks like pag na-open nyo na siya. So let's see. And 1, 2, 3, snap. 1, 2, 3, snap. Yeah. So that was a transition, guys. No. So that is how our control panel of SAMP looks like. So ayan, nakita nyo ba? Nakikita nyo naman, no? It is shown up there that and ganyan yan siya at first. Ano yan siya, start, hindi pa siya naka-start. So, the most commonly used, no, modules are Apache and MySQL. Since ayan yung kadalasan ginagamit namin. And I don't know if FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat since I haven't encountered any task na gamit ko yung module na yan. So, ayan kadalasan yung ginagamit namin yan. Pag nag-start na, makikita mo yung ID niya, yung ports niya. So, yeah. So, that would be all. Ayan na yun. So, we already have our SAMP in our device, no? So, that is how easy it is. No? So, let us have a breakdown of what we did earlier. So, first is um, we defined what is SAMP, no? Cross-platform uh, Apache distributor of database, MySQL, PHP, so on. No? Then we searched SAMP in our browser. Then we downloaded the installer, and then we disabled the UAC and the antivirus. We installed, we opened it, and voila, that is our SAMP. So that's all, guys, no? And thank you for watching. So I'm hoping that this video can help you. Yeah, and so thanks for watching and happy coding, guys. 1, 2, 3, kaboosh.